Welcome to our video on the top 5 cryptocurrency investment strategies for making money. Cryptocurrencies have taken the world by storm and have become a popular way for people to invest and make a profit. But with so many options out there, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we've compiled a list of the top 5 strategies for making money in the world of crypto. Segment 1: Buy and Hold. The first strategy is to buy and hold. This is a simple and straightforward approach that involves purchasing a cryptocurrency and holding onto it for the long term. The idea is that by holding onto the coin, you'll be able to ride out any market fluctuations and eventually see a return on your investment. One of the key things to keep in mind when using this strategy is to do your research and choose a coin that has a strong track record and a solid team behind it. Bitcoin, for example, has been around for over a decade and has a well-established reputation as a safe investment. Segment 2: Day Trading. The next strategy is day trading. This approach involves buying and selling a cryptocurrency multiple times within a single day in order to take advantage of short-term price fluctuations. This can be a high-risk, high-reward strategy, and it's important to have a good understanding of the market before attempting it. If you're considering day trading, it's essential to stay up to date with the latest market news and trends. Tools like technical analysis and price charts can also be incredibly helpful in identifying potential opportunities to buy and sell. Segment 3: Investing in a cryptocurrency fund. Another strategy is to invest in a cryptocurrency fund. These are managed by professional investors who use their expertise to choose which coins to buy and sell. By investing in a fund, you can gain access to a diverse portfolio of coins without having to research and choose them yourself. One benefit of investing in a cryptocurrency fund is that the fund managers will have the expertise to mitigate risk, diversify the portfolio, and make sound investment decisions, so the investor can have more peace of mind. Segment 4: Staking. The fourth strategy is staking. This is a way to earn money by holding onto a coin and participating in the process of maintaining its blockchain network. The more coins you hold and stake, the more you can earn as a reward for your participation. Voiceover: staking is a great way to earn passive income, and it's becoming increasingly popular with coins like Ethereum and Tezos. To start staking, you'll need to hold a certain amount of the coin, and then you can use a staking wallet or a staking pool to start earning rewards. Segment 5: Yielding. The last strategy is yielding. This is a way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings by lending them out to borrowers. Yielding is a relatively new concept, but it's becoming increasingly popular as more platforms and projects are being developed to support it. Yielding is a great way to earn interest on your crypto holdings, and it's a good way to diversify your investment portfolio. As with any investment strategy, it's important to do your research and only lend to reputable borrowers to mitigate risk.